people are having problem, or should I say, finding issues with paying the 9.99. It kind of highlight, or probably it kind of highlight the type of supporters Reggae Boys. Some of some some of the Reggae Boys fans are. I just think it just. I think sometimes you have to wonder what people really want. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, donating girl, best up on yourself. Thank you very much again for the continued support. All right, so at this time, we're going to discuss the 9.99 that is subsequently for the Reggae Boys, the JFF live. Now, in all aspect, this is an interesting topic because it involves money. And once it involves money, people kind of itchy in some sense. Now, the the Jamaica Football Federation recently take a route that what we're going to try to see how best we can satisfy the consumers, the supporters, and build that connection with the supporters. Now, in doing so, they're gone on to say that they're going to utilize the YouTube page, and in doing so, to see how best they can even monetize it as well. For sponsorship, monetize it from support base. But there's an issue. No, I'm not saying this is all Reggae Boy supporters, and not saying this is the largest scale of Reggae Boy supporters. But I've been contacted by quite a few Reggae Boy supporters who have issues with the 9.99. Once, a few said that it's a bit too expensive, and also some more persons said that they don't feel like paying it because they don't believe they will get value for money. No, nothing is wrong in consumers, or should I say supporters, feeling that way at all. Nothing at all is wrong with that. No, for me, I wouldn't have no problem paying the 9.99. For me. And let me tell you why I wouldn't have no problem paying 9.99. No, I can clearly remember when youth teams were playing friendlies. You can't see playing friendly games in Jamaica versus the Premier League clubs, playing friendly game versus whatever team they're playing against. You can't see it. Youth teams are training, can't see it as well. Um, when the Reggae Boys comes to my training session, you can't see anything. Reggae Boys play friendlies, like the local squad play friendlies, still can't see it. So there's multiple things. So that's why for me, even though it's a local squad, I have no problem paying to watch to see what they're doing. I have no problem. That's me. I'm not vouching for anyone. That's me. So I'm saying that I have no issues with persons feeling in that way. None at all. For me, I want to see the youth teams partake in any competition that they can. Either either the local competition, local teams them play against, or whatever that reason. I want to see it. So, in the just the same sense, I would pay my subscription, my monthly subscription for Chelsea TV, so that I can see Whisper playing on Chelsea TV, play monthly subscription for Charlton Athletics, so that I can see Kyle Dixon play. I can do the same for what the other Reggae Boys team, and I have no problem in doing so. Fine, a lot of money, 9.99. That's maybe like 1,300 Jamaican dollars, like 1,300 Jamaican dollars. You can imagine 1,300 Jamaican dollars, and the big point is you don't know how much content you're gonna get. That's what I think. So maybe you say you just get one video for the month. Fine, That's not value for the money. But if that $1,300 gives you a broadcast game, you get to see the Reggae Boys game, a Reggae Boys game. That's that's more than enough value for the money. That's more than enough value for the money. Versus everyone, try find this the legal website or something. But as I said, not everyone will want to pay the money. And again, nothing at all is wrong with that. Your money, no problem at all. But it's the thing that one of the things that I have is that I have is that um I'm gonna pick up the JFF a little bit here. When they do try implement certain things, they don't try to put certain things in place. There's always a few where like because them just negative and just with negative sake, there's going to be a backlash. No, nothing is wrong in putting them or hold them accountable. Things not go right. Nothing at all go wrong with that. But when an organization is making a step in some sense in the right direction, or in some sense, just to go with the modern times, at least you can give some level of, encouragement towards that. Say, yeah, man, at least they're trying something. Now, at the end of the day, still, football is business. And money not come in, work can go on. And that's just a fact. It is a business. And I don't think many persons really look at it that way. And what's happening right now is that the Jamaica Football Federation, they are monetizing every possible thing that they can so that they can make extra fun. What are they doing them with the extra fun? Personally, I don't know. I just hope that it's going to the right places so that the money can be dealt with and we can see the benefits of it going forward from here. But at the end of the day, this is the direction that they're going. And this is the direction that they probably should have gone a long time ago. We have seen it. There's so much major entities, football clubs, and these things. You have to subscribe to see certain content. You have to pay to see certain content, and you can't beat them on that. Still, you can't beat them on that. And if suppose 1 month we get 30 to 40 content, just saying 30 to 40 content, you can imagine 9.99 a whole heap of value for money. That's a lot of value for money. But I do so. So all the persons who have reached out to me and say, boy, he rough and all and kind of something. The toughest part I think is the VPN. Starting out the VPN to be able to subscribe. I think that's probably the toughest part for most persons. For me as well, yeah. That's me I want all the VPN thing I go now. So I go see it go. I go see it go. But I think that generally, I think that should have been the more difficult part of it. Other than that, 9.99 content for like watch live stream, for like watch live broadcast. Come on, come on. I think no people are pay way more than that. People are patrons for some crazy stuff. Anyways, I say go. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. Enjoy on day, people. Know what I mean?